What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Leisure Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-RCFC. We are back for another Karina reaction para sa kanyang performance sa Clowns Republic. If I'm not mistaken guys, this is in Clowns Republic. At kumanta siya ng If I Never Sing Another Song and Portrait of My Love. Yes, ito yung isa sa mga favorite natin na talagang tumatak na version ni Ruel. So let's see what will be the latest version of these golden, amazing songs of Matt Monroe. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Sobrang galing ng mga version ito ni Ruel ng If I Never Sing Another Song. Classic na classic, no? Naka-simple red shirt lang ang ating bunso for today. Same feels, no? Same amazing golden vocal. Woo! Smooth! Such an orgasm. Ooh, very smooth. Grabe guys, no? Parang recorded na yung boses ni Ruel pag kinakanta niya ito kasi he sang it the same way na na-in love tayo sa version niya ng If You Sing Another Song as Matt Monroe, 'di ba? So, alam mo talaga yung quality ng vocal niya na it never changed, no? And it sounds even better pagdating sa mga live performance na akala mo recorded na, akala mo nag-lip sync na lang talaga siya, dahil. Sarap pakinggan. Diba? Love it. Ay! Oh, ito naman. Pangalawang song pala agad. Portrait of My Love. Oh my gosh! Same reaction ng mga ka-RCFC. Narinig niyo ba yun? Balikan natin, guys. Diba? They said, wow! Of course! Mapapawaw ka talaga. Grabe. Sarap pakinggan, grabe. Tingnan naman, ay emotional na naman tayo ni Bunso talaga. Masaya po ako, masaya ako, guys. That low tone was golden. Love it. Grabe yung lambing, no? It touches your heart. Oh my God. Love it. Grabe yun. Love it. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino saying, "If I never sing another song and Portrait of My Love sa Clowns Republic." Mega love shout out po to Vena for uploading this. Kahit hindi kompleto yung both songs, na-experience natin ang live performance ng ating bunso. Grabe, no? Like what I said, it feels like, and it sounds like recorded na talaga kapag kumakanta si Roel na itong mga classic na to. Kasi ito yung mga unang kanta na talagang minahal natin si Roel at talagang nagulat tayo na, oh my God, this is Matt Monroe. Oh my God, this boy has a golden voice and he's just 15 years old now. Nagsimula siya 14 years old siya, grabe. At talaga naman nakita niyo ang pagbabago ng buhay niya, ng mga kaganapan sa kanya. And all the ka-RCFC talaga all over the world is supporting this Gen Z young boy with a golden vocal. At syempre, deserve yan ni Bunso Ruel kasi he really made a name for him as a music artist of the Philippines. Kaya naman, sobra nakakatuwa and laging natatouch yung heart natin. Emotional tayo kay Bunso kapag mga super love song yung kinakanta niya. Kaya naman, I love it, Ruel. And of course, alam ko that you love his performance as well. Kaya share niyo yung experience niyo sa ating comment section at pag-usapan natin yan. Alright, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lacia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.